everyone, ready to turn your smartphone into a cash machine right from your sofa? Or in my case, recliner. Let's dive into the easiest ways to make money right from your mobile device. Hey go-getters, are you sitting at home wondering how to turn your mobile device into a money-making gadget? Whether you're lounging in your PJs or chilling on your balcony, today I will show you several clever ways to earn money just using your smartphone. From snapping pics on Pics to engaging in microtasking and diving into the profitable world of affiliate marketing, we've got lots to cover. So make sure that your phones are charged and let's get ready to turn your everyday device into a source of income. Kicking off our list, let's zoom in on feetfinder.com. It is the premier platform that is tailored for selling those incredible foot photos. And whether you are a budding or seasoned foot photographer, all you have to do is head on over to feetfinder.com and simply set up your account and get through the quick verification process. Once you have set up your account, you are ready to get snapping and uploading your best shots. And Feetfinder is not just about selling, it's about connecting with the community that has a love and appreciation for the artistry of foot photography. So prepare your setup and don't be afraid to get creative and watch your hobby turn into a potentially profitable venture all from the corners of your home. Next, let's tap into microtasking apps. Here's what you can do with your mobile device. Swagbucks is an app where you can make money doing things like taking surveys, watching videos, and playing games. Taluna is another great app where you can share your opinion taking surveys and you will be able to gain points and later redeem those for cash or gifts. Both Taluna and Swagbucks are great apps for monetizing your spare time, and you don't really need any special skills to do that. Are you feeling creative? Here's a way that you can leverage that with your mobile device. You can use Instagram, TikTok, both of which you can create content on doing product reviews or even just sharing your unique perspective of lifestyle. And this can bring in brand deals potentially, as well as just monetize your content and make money that way. While we are talking about Instagram and TikTok, you can also use these for affiliate marketing. You have things like Amazon affiliates, which all you have to do is you purchase a product from Amazon, you love it, and you put it on your social media accounts with your special link from Amazon Associates, and you get a small commission every time someone purchases using your link. And also things like TikTok Shop, where you spend a little bit upfront to purchase the product and you promote it on your TikTok, and then you put it in your TikTok Shop and you make money off the commission from that. Now back to Feetfinder for a pro tip. To truly excel at selling your feet pictures and maximize your earning, it is crucial to optimize your phone settings. So let's break it down. Adjust your ISO for better light sensitivity and then tweak your shutter speed so that you get those crisp, clear, sharp images without blur. And be sure to set your focal point so that it is capturing and highlighting the best angles of your feet. If your phone has adjustable aperture, you want to use that so that you can control the depth of field so that your images look even more professional. Don't forget to equip your setup with a ring light and a tripod. These two items are going to be indispensable for getting those amazing images and making you more money. By elevating the quality of your photos by using these simple adjustments, it is going to increase your visibility and appeal on Feetfinder, which is going to help you keep a significant amount more from each sale. Remember, your creativity is not just a hobby. It could be the next lucrative venture for you. And all thanks to Feetfinder and the platform that they have provided for connecting foot lovers worldwide to your art. Turning your phone into a money man might be easier than you think. So get started with feetfinder.com to get comfortable with online sales, and then head to other platforms to maximize your earnings. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and also head on over to feetfinder.com to kickstart your journey, and leave your experience down in the comments below. And let's make the most out of our smartphones and keep that money flowing.